What if I told you that Volvo's most important electric SUV isn't the X90, it is the X60? Launching around 2026, this car could quietly redefine automation, safety, and software-driven vehicles. So today, let's break down everything we know and what it really means for the future of driving. What is the Volvo X60? The Volvo X60 is expected to be the fully electric replacement for the XC60, one of Volvo's best-selling SUVs ever. But this isn't just an electric version of an old car. It's a clean sheet design built for the next decade of mobility. Volvo is positioning the X60 as a mid-size electric SUV, sitting perfectly between the X30 and the X90. That makes it extremely important, because this is the model that will go mainstream, not just premium. Platform and software. The X60 is expected to be built on Volvo's next-generation SPA3 platform, and this is where things get interesting. SPA3 is designed around the idea of a software-defined vehicle. That means the car's features, safety systems, and automation capabilities can improve over time through over-the-air updates. Instead of adding dozens of separate control units, Volvo is moving towards centralized computing, powered by high-performance processors and AI. Automation and ADAS. Now let's talk about what really matters: automation. The Volvo X60 is expected to feature advanced ADAS systems, including highway assist, lane centering, adaptive cruise with predictive behavior, driver monitoring cameras. Volvo's approach is different from many brands. They don't chase flashy full self-driving claims. Safety meets automation. For Volvo, automation isn't about convenience. It's about saving lives. The X60 will likely include real-time driver attention monitoring, collision avoidance powered by AI, pedestrian and cyclist detection, predictive braking systems, electric performance and range. As a fully electric SUV, the X60 is expected to offer improved driving range, faster DC charging, better efficiency than previous models. Why the X60 really matters. The Volvo X60 might not look revolutionary at first glance, but technologically it's a bridge to the future. This is the car that brings advanced automation to the masses, software-defined driving, a realistic path toward higher autonomy. It's not about hype, it's about smart evolution. So the big question is the Volvo X60 the smartest electric SUV of 2026? Let me know your thoughts in the comments. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more videos on car automation and future vehicles. I'll see you in the next one.